Hello guys, welcome back to channel. Today we will solve a very interesting question which is equally famous in India and Pakistan. So let's start it. We have if x and y are positive integers, then x plus y is equal to 76. Then you have to find the value of x plus y. So this is very important thing, right? X and y are positive integers. Positive integers are 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So remember it, we will use this later on, right? So let's start it. X plus xy plus y is equal to 76. Okay, first take common x common from these two. So from here we will get 1, and from here y will be left. Plus y is equal to 76. In order to take 1 plus y as common from this these two terms, add plus 1 with y. Plus 1 over here and also on right hand side also. Okay, now you can see we can take 1 plus y common from here. 1 plus y as a common. From here x will be left, and from here 1 will be left. Okay, is equal to 77. Now we have two terms. 1 plus y into x plus 1 is equal to 77. Now if you know that we have x and y, which are positive integers, right? Positive integers. So here the value of x and y must be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, here the value of x and y is equal to 1 or greater than 1. We cannot put over here 0, sorry, 1, 2, 3. We have to put the value of 1 or greater than 1, because we cannot put over here 0, -1, -2, -3, because the condition which is given in the question is that x and y must be positive integers, right? So remember this thing. Now it means put two values of by hit and trial or guess or trial, we can guess two values of x and y such that the product of these two numbers should be 77. Okay, so product of 77, from where we can get product of 77? 1 into 77 is equal to 77. Okay, or 77 into 1 is also 77. Okay, another two product may be 11 into 7 is also 77, or 7 into 11 is also 77. These are two possible pairs. Okay, now we have to take them one by one, but here is the tricky thing, because here the value of x, these two are values of x and y. Okay, the value of x is 1, and here the condition was that x and y must be equal to 1 or greater than 1, but here 1 is already present. Okay, so we cannot take 1 over here. Okay, and also we cannot take the value of y equal to 1. The value should be greater than 1. Okay, so the possible two answer are these two. Okay, now consider them one by one. 1 plus y into x plus 1 is equal to 77. Okay, now consider 11 into 7 is equal to 77. Now put 1 plus y is equal to 11 and x plus 1 is equal to 77. You have to find the value of x plus y, right? So from here, find the value of y. Shift this one toward this side. It will subtract from 11. We will get 10. In the same way, find the value of y. 7 minus 1. It is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So the value of x plus y, x is 6 and y is 10. So x plus y is 16. This is one possible answer. Now the another possible answer is x plus 1 plus y into x plus 1 is equal to 77 was this pair. Okay, 7 into 11 is equal to 77. Put 1 plus y is equal to 7 and x plus 1 is equal to 11. From here you will get the value of y as 6, and from here the value of x will be 10. Now x plus y will be equal to value of x is 10 and value of y is 6. So x plus y is 16. In both cases the answer is same. So this is the answer for you guys. Okay, I hope you have liked this video. If so, then please uh, like my this video, also subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.